Hey YouTube, Sam Frank here. Today opening one more. This will be the last of the 2018 Topps Gypsy Queen that I'm going to be opening. This is Hobby Box number 2. I also opened a bunch of loose packs. So take one more shot at the search for Ohtani. This is part of that opening series of top stuff. We try to find a Shohei Ohtani autograph this year. That's kind of my goal this year. So let's see what we get in our box topper. The box toppers are really cool. And we got Manny Machado. And we have another man. We got a blue one earlier. So we'll go ahead and stick this in a top loader. That. Set that up there. Alright, let's get to cracking. Get 2 autos per box. So hopefully we get Mr. Ohtani, but that's of course a long shot. Let's just hope we get a couple of decent autos. Guys I don't have yet. Andrew Benintendi, Dylan Peters, Wilson Contreras, Hunter Renfroe, Paul Goldschmidt, Evan Longoria, Adam Duvall, Zach Grant, rookie. Alright, next pack. We got Orlando Arcia, Chris Sale, German Marquez, Berto Osuna. Well, oh, that's a nice one. Alex Vertigo autograph. So I'll take that one. That's a really nice one. I do have a Vertigo autograph, but this one's really nice. Rookie card auto, Gypsy Queen. Very cool. I'm going to put that in a top loader. Autographs come up on you really quick in this stuff. Like in a lot of the other cards are turned backwards, but not the autos. Matt Moore, Cole Hamels, Dale Murphy. And I got Lance McCullers, Ozzie Albies rookie, Chris Taylor, Jacob deGrom, Tommy Pham, Carson Fulmer, Nicky Delmonico, Felix Hernandez. I got Irvin Santana, Ronaldo Lopez, Gary Sanchez, Julio Teheran, Richard Arena, rookie, Andrew Stevenson, rookie, John Lester, Matt Kemp. Chris Bryant, Francisco Lindor, Chad Bettis, Matt Harvey, Gregory Polanco. Got something backwards here. Zach Britton, Danny Duffy, and Parker Bridwell, rookie, with the missing nameplate thing. Alright, next pack. Dustin Pedroia, Brad Ziegler, Javier Baez, Mitch Haniger, Sui Lin, another backwards card, Kendrys Morales, Eric Thames, and an Indigo Nolan Arenado. Cool. It's 229 out of 250. I like the Indigo cards, they're pretty nice. Alright, this one we got Carlos Carrasco, Charlie Blackmon, Rafael Devers, rookie, Matt Shebler, Aaron Althair, Josh Bell, Xander Bogaerts, Brandon Woodruff, rookie. And this one got Byron Buxton, Tim Anderson, Brad Hand, Noah Syndergaard, Tyler Glasnow, a Bryce Harper, one of these insert cards, J.P. Crawford rookie, and Shin-Soo Choo. Now I'll go back through them later to look at them closer, see if it, oh, that's weird. Got a little piece of a card right there. Russell Iglesias, Matt Chapman, Juris Familia, Michael Fulmer, Corey Kluber, Luke Weaver, Manny Margot, and oh, this is the Gypsy Queen logo. Yeah, Virgis Solarte. That's only the second one of those I've gotten. Alright, next pack. Ryan Braun, Chris Davis, Jake Arrieta, Blake Snell, Chris Davis, yep. Insert. Clayton Richard, Manny Machado, Nick Williams rookie. I'm going to try to build a base set of this with the SPs, which that's going to be really hard to get those, but that's what makes collecting fun, is trying to make these sets. Christian Yelich, Jonathan Scope, Justin Upton, Kevin Gossman, Marco Estrada, Cody Bellinger, CJ Cron, Miguel Gomez rookie. Freddie Freeman, Mike Moustakas, Starling Marte, DJ LeMahieu. This is an SP, Jeff Bagwell, number 302. Anthony Rendon, Austin Hedges, Maikel Franco. That is one I do not have yet, so that'll help me get a little bit closer to making that set. Next pack. Alex Wood, JD Martinez, Max Kepler, Ivan Nova, Ricky Nolasco. Ooh, and Aaron Judge. I have one of those, so I can use that one to trade. Jose Abreu, Juan Lagares. Corey Seager, Ender Inciarte, Lorenzo Cain, Corey Nabel, Andrew McCutcheon, Aroldis Chapman, Jonathan Villar, and Ryan Braun, another one of the Gypsy Queen logos. Oh, I've got two of those in one box. I don't think they're super rare or anything, but pretty cool. I got two of them. Parker Bridwell, rookie. Jose Iglesias, Kevin Pillar, Joey Votto, Brad Miller. Oh, we got something Stanton. Looks like an indigo. Hunter Pence, George Springer, and yeah, a indigo 207 out of 250 of Giancarlo Stanton. So that one's a nice one. Next pack. Zach Greinke, Mike Velasquez, Alex Gordon, Logan Morrison, Clint Frazier insert, Tucker Barnhart, Tyler Saladino, Ben Gamble. Alright, next pack. Justin Verlander, Brandon Drury, Jose Altuve, Brandon Crawford, Nolan Arenado, Gerardo Parra, Nick Markakis, Addison Russell. Okay, we're down to 7 packs left. Albert Pujols, James McCann, Yasmani Tomas, Yolmer Sanchez, Yadier Molina, Rio Ruiz, Matt Olson, Domingo Santana. Mike Trout, Matt Carpenter. Got a backwards card here. Carlos Correa, Steven Souza Jr., Corey Dickerson, Jose Barrios, Clayton Kershaw, and JD Martinez. I'm not sure what it... Oh, Bazooka back. It's like, I didn't see anything different on the front. So, yeah, Bazooka back. That's what the Bazooka backs look like. All right, this one we got Aaron Judge, Andrew Miller. Whoa. Something blue. Marcus Stroman, Paul Blackburn, rookie, Masahiro Tanaka, Josh Donaldson, Hector Neris. Cool. A blue one of these. Noah Syndergaard. Oh, it's numbered. 172 out of 250. Oh, I didn't even know they had numbered ones of these. Alright. Next pack. Got a lot of special cards in this box. Dallas Keuchel, Patrick Corbin, Eric Hosmer, Johnny Cueto, Giancarlo Stanton, all those cards. Jack Flaherty, rookie, Andrew Kashner, Didi Gregorius. Alright, still looking for one more auto here. We got Trey Mancini, Justin Bour, Luis Gohara, rookie, Joe Panik, Chris Davis, Gary Sanchez, insert, Yohan Moncada, Dexter Fowler. Alright, 2 packs left. I think that this pack was the auto in the first box I opened, so I wonder if they're in the same spot. Nick Castellanos, Austin Hayes, rookie, Giancarlo Stanton, Ichiro, J.A. Happ, Andrelton Simmons, Martin Perez, Ryan Zimmerman. Yep, they're in the same spot. Alright, let's see. This is definitely an auto in this pack. Okay, we've got John Gray, Mark Reynolds, Tim Beckham, Jed Lowry, Yasiel Puig, Steven Strasburg. Oh, there it is. Scooter Gennett and Zach Granite, rookie auto. Alright. I did have a Zach Granite from, I can't remember what set it was from. Maybe I didn't have his auto. I can't remember. I'll have to look through my autos. But I think he is a pretty good prospect for the Twins. So we got 2 pretty cool rookie autos, Zach Granite and Alex Vertigo. We got this numbered Noah Syndergaard out of these cards and these other ones here. And a bunch of special insert cards or parallels and stuff. Bazooka back, Giancarlo Stanton Indigo, a couple Gypsy Queen logo cards there, a SP Bagwell, Indigo Arenado, and a missing team nameplate, Parker Bridwell. Alright, stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully you guys can make some nice pulls and get some cool autos out of your Gypsy Queen stuff. Alright, stay tuned.